Howdy, it's Mark from Nomad Boatbuilding, and it's time for Tools from Trash. Today we're going to talk about transfer gauges. Now a transfer gauge is something that we use to be able to transfer a shape from one thing to another thing. And in this case, what we're looking at are plank transfer gauges. When I'm repairing cedar canvas canoes, we're often replacing bits of planking. And the simple way to do it is to lay a piece of oversized plank over the hole you want and then use a tool that can feel in behind, follow the edges of its adjacent planks in order to describe the shape that you need. And so here's such a tool right here, and this is just made from a piece of hacksaw blade. Of course, we bend it over at the ends. You might need to use a little bit of heat to do that without snapping the blade. We give a little bend right there, and the idea is one side of this has got this little shallow soft hook, and it's able to sort of follow the edge of a plank on one side, and on the other side you got a little shelf that you can use to run a pencil along in order to run this gauge along a plank in behind and mark a line onto the plank in the front. And you could always make this guy with the hook going the other way, matching this one, and make it like a little scratch stock. That's another possibility. There's another one here I just made for the 2.4 meter, and the way I'm using this is I've got battens running along the inside of the mold on here, and one of those battens is lined up with my shear line, and I need to transfer that shear line onto this planking because I need to cut it along the shear line and then pop this guy off the mold. So that's what this transfer gauge is going to be for. This is going to follow one of those little battens on the inside, and we're going to mark where it's located on the outside. Real simple tool, real cheap to make. Every time I replace the windshield wipers on my car, I cannot help but fish out this little piece of wire from the old ones. And it's stainless steel, it's real springy, and I've found all kinds of interesting uses for it, especially for finding the length of bolts by fishing a wire through the holes. I don't know why I like this stuff, but I do like it. I hate to throw it away, so I save them. Call me a cheapskate if you want. I call myself an environmentalist. Remember, before you go and throw out your trash, make sure you didn't leave any tools lying around inside of it.